Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to work with PowerPoint in Android phone. So let's see how to do it. If you have Android phone, the PowerPoint comes inbuilt or you have to download it from Play Store. I have this as inbuilt, as you can see here. If you don't have, go to Play Store. On the search type Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see here, you can install this, and now let's see how to work with PowerPoint. So now open PowerPoint here. While you wait, you get redirected to this page here. To add a PowerPoint, you have to click on the plus icon over here. Now then click add. Now choose blank presentation, or you can choose inbuilt designs like this, Berlin, Celestian, etc. For now, I'm going to choose blank presentation. So it will ask try outline view. You can say no thanks. Now see, you get redirected to this page. This is our slide. So it says double tap to add title. I'm just going to name this presentation my channel name. I'm going to say see, for subtitle also you can add. You can just double click on this box, and I'm saying as you can see, there are a lot of options over here. There are a lot of options here. Like you can choose a slide layout, or you can add pictures. You can add shapes. Now I'm going to show you how to add shapes in this PowerPoint. Let me click on the shapes icon. See, you have a lot of shapes. For now, I'm just going to click a normal sticky note. Yeah, there you go. It's on the screen. So I use this to move around the slide. To add tables, you have to click on this option over here. This is for tables. See, you have a table over here. You can also like choose how do you want the table. You can even add rows over here. See, you can also choose the slide layout. Title slide, title and content slide, comparison to content, picture with caption, etc. See, there are a lot of options over here. And these presentations will be auto saved. So you don't need to save them. After that, to present this, click on this icon there. So after you click that, it goes to the presentation mode. Look, you have a lot of options over there. You can even record your presentation by clicking over here. And then to go back, you just need to click end of slideshow, then swipe forward to exit. See, now you have exited the presentation. You can even add notes while clicking on this icon, notes. So then after you click the tick mark over here, you can go back to your menu. Look, this is our slide. Now click this. Now it closes the presentation. Now under today, you can see the presentation that we did here. So if you want to open it, you just need to click on that. And this is our tutorial on how to work with PowerPoint in Android phone. So bye bye. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video if you find it helpful. Thank you.